Hi everyone, let's take a look to see exactly what's in our Makey Makey kits. This is your Makey Makey box. When you open it up, you will find a bunch of wires on top. The first ones are your alligator clips. I'm going to carefully unwind those. You should have 6 alligator clips in your box. This is what one alligator clip looks like. You squeeze the ends and it looks like an alligator's mouth. If your alligator clips have the plastic on them, slide them down so they're easier to work with. Underneath your alligator clips, you have your red USB cord. It's the cord with the number on it. This cord is used to power your Makey Makey. This end will go into your Chromebook, and this end will be plugged into your Makey Makey. In the bottom of your box, you have your Makey Makey. Most of your Makey Makeys are in this red static-proof bag. If you have this bag, make sure you put it in your box each day so you do not lose it. This is your Makey Makey. This is the device we are going to be using. This is the front, and this is the back. Remember, when you are finished each day, put it back in the red anti-static bag. Other supplies in your bag are a pencil, paper clips, and blank paper. You will find a laminated piece of paper that shows you step-by-step how to connect your Makey Makey. You will also have a laminated piece of paper that shows you how to store your Makey Makey, and on the other side, it shows you everything that should be in your bag. Your Makey Makey, your Makey Makey box, 6 alligator clips, your red USB cable, pencil, and paper clips. Of course, some of you have that really important red bag we talked about too. Each day, make sure all of these things go back in your Makey Makey bag, and make sure when you return your Makey Makey to school, you return it with your Makey Makey, the red bag if you have it, the Makey Makey box, 6 alligator clips, the red USB cable, pencil, and paper clips.